The original push for the cameras came from our insurance company, our captive insurance. They're there to protect our employees, and we've had a couple of incidents where they have protected our employees. We had an incident where our team was working as a subcontractor to a prime contractor, and there were other subcontractors on site. Our vehicle with our dash cams were pointed towards the work site, and one of the other subcontractors had a catastrophic failure of some of their material that they were using that day that injured one of our employees. We were able to recreate the incident with our dash cams and put the pieces together for our insurance companies so they could really see what was happening, and gave them a picture of what happened that day. We had an incident where one of our trucks was traveling down the interstate, and they had a left front tire blow out on the truck. The truck went across the oncoming traffic interstate and up into the ditch and around, and there was a camera that was following the truck, and there was a camera that was in the truck. Our insurance company understood what exactly happened. If we wouldn't have had that video, it would have been a very difficult story to understand. Our insurance company at first was thinking about totaling the vehicle. The videos and the analytics of it showed that that truck had been in good maintenance and it was repairable. Our insurance company was very thankful for the video. When you start arguing with these insurance companies, the video kind of takes that out of the equation. Now that we have them, we feel that they're more of an asset towards us. I think our employees would agree that they're an asset for them for protection versus what sometimes is looked at as Big Brother watching. They're used to using the cameras now and knowing that the cameras aren't there to watch our employees. They look at those in a different way, and I think that's important.